to unboxing Nike this time. Or we always have Nike. Well, today we have another shoe unboxing. Two. One for him, one for me. I have the not new, but I got the Nike Mercurial Vapors, the purple ones from the Floodlight pack, and he got.
I got the Mercurial Vapors too, but they're the, I think it's the green seaweed and gray and the black version of it.
The new CR7 ones, just low cut.
Just a low cut.
Low cut version.
So,
alright, let's open it.
Tell your face one.
Alright, you got two shoes. Go ahead.
In here.
Let's go. You guys gotta sit down though.
I got that one.
Alright, who's gonna go first?
Michael?
Michael. Let's check him out.
I got
Oh.
really cool. I haven't did the lookout ones in a while, so feel different. And so these, you should have seen his other video. He had the more bigger version, the higher cut. And he had the lower cut version of it. We're gonna try it out. The field.
Yep.
You got the spring bag with it, obviously. This one. Lay that down, and then you got the other one.
Alright. Those are nice. Let's check them out. Alright, next ones.
Welcome. Oh. Bam!
Nice.
Floodlight pack, purple, orange. Don't know what you call it. I'm not good with colors. So these are cool shoes, and I love the colors. And so currently I am trying out these, or I'm wearing these ones. And so I'm gonna try out these, the low cut ones now. And so this is going to be a cool experience, and I hope you can watch the video on the filter test for them, and hope you like the video, and hope you have a good one.
See you.